Good morning, students. We are going to chapter 2, Geography, Interior of the Earth. Still now you have learnt about I have told you about that inside the Earth there are 3 layers and the Earth is very hot from inside. And the 3 layers, as you know, that is crust, mantle and core. So I have shown you this picture earlier also, and we have discussed about the crust, first layer of the earth. I have discussed yesterday. Today I am going to tell you about the second layer of the earth, which is below the crust, mantle. Before I tell you about the characteristics of mantle, I want to show you something through an activity. Now in this activity you have to take an egg, and why I am taking an egg? Because the structure of egg is quite similar to the inside structure of the earth. Now break the egg. What you see, this is the thin layer, the thinnest layer of the eggshell. That is the eggshell. Don't you think it is quite similar to the thinness of the earth's crust? So it resembles now you can see that the eggshells, these are the eggshells. This is so thin. This layer is the upper layer of the egg, which is eggshell, is very thin, and it is quite similar to the earth's crust, which I have told you earlier that it's the thinnest layer of the earth. Now we will cut the egg and see what we see. Cut the egg. Now what can you see? The white portion of the egg shows that is thicker than the eggshell. That is, the crust is the thinnest and the mantle is thicker than the crust, and the inner side, the yellow part, we can compare it to the core. So through this activity we can understand the inside of the earth better. अगर हम अर्थ को काट सकते तो हमें ये अर्थ के इनसाइड में हमें इस तरह से देखने को मिलेगा. सबसे पहले ये क्रस्ट, उसके बाद मेंटल वाइट पोर्शन और येलो वाला पोर्शन रिजेंबल्स द कोर. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दिस एक्टिविटी एट होम, बट वही ये कर सकते हैं जो एग खाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? तो ये एक्टिविटी करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आई हैव शोन दिस एक्टिविटी to make you understand the inside portion of the earth in a better way. So I hope you have understood the inside part of the earth in a better way by a simple activity of comparing the inside of the earth through a boiled egg. Okay. Now, as you have understood it better in a better way, that how the earth looks from the inside. Now we can move to our today's topic, that is the interior of the earth, the internal structure of the earth, and today we are going to know more about the mantle. Yesterday I have told you about the crust. That crust is the thinnest layer. Today I am going to tell you about the mantle. Mantle is a layer of earth which is below the earth's crust, and it is a thick layer, and mantle is mostly solid all over, right? Now what are the characteristics of mantle? First one, it is thicker than the crust and it comprises 84% of the earth's volume. It is thicker. The crust consists of only 0.5% of the earth's volume, but you can see that 84% of the earth's volume is consisting of crust. Okay, it extends up to an average depth of 2900 km below the crust, and its average depth is 2900 km below the crust. मतलब crust के नीचे इसकी depth कितनी है? 2900 km. Depth means गहराई. The upper mantle contains pockets of molten materials called magma. So upper mantle जो होता है, it contains materials which are in a molten state. Molten state means in a semi-solid state, and this material is called magma. Okay, it is just below the crust. It is a mobile semi-solid semi-molten layer over which crustal plates can move. So it is in a semi-solid state, so it is mobile. Mobile means it can be movable. It can move from one place to another. And because of its mobile condition, the crustal plates move from can do some movements. ये मोबाइल होती है और ये सेमी मॉल्टन स्टेट में रहता है, जिस वजह से crustal plates इसके ऊपर मूव करती हैं. The inner mantle is entirely solid, but the inner mantle is totally solid. It is not in a molten state. So what we can say that upper mantle is in a semi-solid state, and the molten material is called magma, and the inner mantle is totally solid. Fourth characteristic, it is a transitional layer of mixed metals and silicate. It has got mixed metals and silicates. In the crust, we have learned that continental crust is made of silicon and aluminium, and the oceanic crust is made of silicon and magnesium. Okay, but यहाँ क्या देख रहे हैं कि it is made up of mixed metals. There are more than these metals and some silicates. Okay. And what about the temperature of this layer? Temperature in this layer ranges from 1000 degrees centigrade to 3700 degrees centigrade. So temperature varies from 1000 degrees centigrade to 3700 degrees centigrade. So these are the 5 characteristics of mantle, and today up to this we will know more about the inside of the earth next day. So next day we will complete the last layer of the earth, that is core, the innermost layer of the earth. So see you in the class.